good, YouTube? We get a little snack from Wawa. I don't know if y'all know about that, but the Wawa sandwich be busting and they be cheap too. So that's all we out here. Getting that sandwich. You know what I'm saying? What y'all think I should do with the car next? Y'all think I should, cause like it's like stock. Everything on there is stock. No type of tuning, nothing. So y'all think I should straight pipe it and get like a JB4 like JB4 tune? I'm pretty sure those make like 350. You know what I'm saying? 350 wheel. You're at like I don't think. Well, they told us. Well, it's 280. Hyundai says like 285, and then when you use the Engrin, the turbo boost is like 290. So that'll put us up like what, 70 horsepower, somewhere around there. They're usually like $1,200. Just let me know what kind of content y'all expect. I mean, what y'all like to see. It's interesting. You can leave it down in the comment section. I mean, like, share, and subscribe. Obviously, I didn't say that in my first video, but we're trying to grow out here. You know, trying to do something. Trying to make a nice community. Just car people. I'm gonna resume the video once you get back in the car. We're gonna go and enjoy the ride in the rain and stuff. All right. Oh shit.
I was thinking about this.
One more. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Why you looking like that? Trauma time. Oh, it's a lake right here, but you can't really see it in the video. Oh, like right here? So the car like sideways. This is about to be hot.
I'm gonna walk around while you record.
You can stay in the car if you like. You got food in your hands. You can look at it through the phone, I think. It's the whip. This is the whip. I'm gonna put it down so we can get some exhaust clips. BRB. Alright, y'all. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. It's your boy and his girl. We out.